Hey everyone, enjoy the preview. Painting number 1 for the auction on Sunday is a 12 by 16 starting bid, $15 by Christina. Painting number 2 is also a 12 by 16 starting bid, $15 by Nate Cerami. Painting number 3 is a 14 by 14 starting bid, $10 by Christina Welch. Painting number 4 is a 14 by 14 starting bid, $15 by Alan. Painting number 5 is a 10 by 20 starting bid is $10 by Alan. Painting number 6 is an 8 by 20 starting bid is $10 by Christina. Painting number 7 is a 12 by 16 starting bid is $15 by Alan. Painting number 8, 14 by 14 starting bid is $15 by Christina. Painting number 9, 11 by 14 starting bid is $15 by Alan. Painting number 10 is an 11 by 14 starting bid is $10 by Nate. Painting number 11 is an 11 by 14 starting bid $10 by Christina. Painting number 12, 11 by 14 starting bid $10 by Alan. Painting number 13 is a 16 by 20 starting bid is $20 by Christina.
Turn that the other way.
Painting number 14, 16 by 20 starting bid is $20 by Christina. Painting number 15 is an 11 by 14 starting bid $15 by Christina. Painting number 16, 11 by 14 starting bid $20 by Christina.
Sorry about the heartbeat, guys.
Painting number 17 is a set of two 8x10s. Starting bid is $10 by Christina. Painting number 18 is a 12-inch round. Starting bid $20. This is a Nate and Christina collaboration. Painting number 19 is a 12x16. So get that in out of the glare. Starting bid $15 by Alan. Painting number 20, 12x12. Starting bid is $15 by Christina. Painting number 21 is a 12x16. Starting bid $15 by Alan. And sorry about the heartbeat, guys. Camera's got a mind of its own. Painting number 22 is a 10x20 gallery wrap. Starting bid is $25 by Christina. Painting number 23 is a 10x20. Starting bid $25, and this is also a gallery wrap by Christina. Painting number 24 is an 11x14. Starting bid is $10 by Alan. Painting number 25, 11x14. Starting bid is $10 by Alan. Painting number 26 is a 16x20. Starting bid is $20 by Christina. Painting number 27 is a 16x20. Starting bid is $20 by Christina. Painting number 28 is a 12x12. Starting bid $15 by Alan. Painting 29 is also a 12x12. Starting bid $15 by Nate. Painting number 31 is 12x12. Starting bid $25 by Nate. We kind of snuck one in on you there. We got painting number 30 which is a 10 by 20. Starting bid is $20 by Christina. Painting number 32 is a 12 by 12. Starting bid $15 by Christina. Painting number 33, also 12 by 12. Starting bid is $20 by Christina. Painting number 34, 16 by 20. Starting bid is $20 by Alan. Painting number 35, 16 by 20. Starting bid $20
That's that right?
by Christina. Now a fan favorite, painting number 36, a 12 by 12, starting bid $10. By Alan. Painting number 37 is a 12 by 16, starting bid $10 by Alan. Painting number 38, 12 by 12, starting bid $20 by Christina. Painting number 39, 14 by 14, starting bid $15 by Alan. Painting number 40 is an 11 by 14 oval, resin coated, starting bid $30 by Christina. Painting number 41, 12 by 12, starting bid $10 by Christina.
And the last painting of the night will be this one. It's a set John Beckley inspired that Nate and I both did. And the starting bid on this will be $40. These are 8 by 20s and you'll get both of them. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you at the auction on Sunday, December 9th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Buyer pays shipping. Be prepared to pay on Monday. All the invoicing will be done via email, and that email address will be on the screen during the entire auction so that you will have it there to go back and look. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all on Sunday. Bye now.